There are several ways to go about creating a sheet set. One is from scratch, one is from a template, and another is from existing drawings. Either method is fine. It's just going to depend on your situation and what you need at the time. Now, in fact, you may even find that you're going to use a combination of these systems during the life of your project. Now, if you have drawings already made, that's good. You can make a sheet set from them. You just import the layouts as sheets. So let's start the sheet set manager. Type SSM on your command line. And let's come up here to the top and let's go to new sheet set. So you have two options, an example sheet set, which is essentially using your template. Once you create a template sheet set, this is probably what you want to use all the time. But in this case, I have existing drawings and I don't have a template created. So I'm going to click existing drawings, then click next. I'm going to give this a name. You can call it whatever you want. You can put in a description so that you know what this project is. Choose a location for it to save, and you can come down to your sheet set properties. Now we're going to get into sheet set properties a lot later on, but you can preset them right here for this brand new sheet set. Now that's one of the tricks to using a template. Your template will already have this step completed for you, and you'll have it organized and ready to go. But you can change these at any time, regardless of how you create a sheet set. When you're finished with those, click OK, then click Next. Now we browse for the file locations where we want to look at. I have some files here I'm going to use as an example. Not very many, but enough to show you what's going on. So when I click on this option here, I browse to a folder and it finds all of the drawings in that folder. Now with these checks marked here, it's going to load those drawings into our sheet set. It's going to attach them to it. Now you can only attach Paperspace tabs to your sheet set. This tells me the file. This tells me the name of the Paperspace tab that's there. Now, if your file has multiple Paperspace tabs, that's fine. You can import all of them, some of them, one of them, or none of them. Once this is finished, click Next. This gives you a bit of a rundown or required. And don't forget about subsets. These will help you to organize your drawings so you can put drawings in it. If we look at something I worked with recently, this manufacturing sheet set, you can see here this has different subsets in it. And a subset usually just groups similar drawings into it. That way you don't have to list all of these or scroll through the entire list of your drawings in your set. You can just look at a certain part. So these are all the assemblies. Let's also say that you need someone to print all the assemblies from your project. So you can tell them, hey, print all the assemblies. Well, it's real easy for them. They come to assemblies, right click, and they go to publish. So that's how you create a sheet set.